Today we are celebrating of Independence Day. So Independence Day is we are Indian got freedom from British in 1947, 15 August. So we got Independence Day from British. So all India over we today in synagogue okay. Try to English. Okay.
Today we are celebrated Independence Day.
Nang dakok tu kami boleh tamu kasih sikit tu. Mana boleh? Mau ambil. Mana yang tu ya? Set your hand and salute your head. Salute placing macam ni. Okay, can do like that. Salute your head and tidak. Awal left your leg. Okay. Siap dah, national flag. Okay. We sing start. First those who are to sing first start. Bhajan, you can start. Adhinayaka jaya he Bharata bhai vijata Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utchala Ganga Vindhya Himachala Jamuna Ganga Utchala Jala Sitaranga Tava Subha Name Jage Tava Subha Asis Samage Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha Jana Gana Mangala Bhairata Jaya He Bhairata Bhaika Vijata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Sujala Sufala Malaya Sisharam Sasase Malam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Susprajasna Folokita Jamini Folokisamita Sumadura Bhasini Subhasini Sumadura Bhasini Sukhadam Maradam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram
Are jaha